Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make vegan marshmallow fluff. The key ingredient, 2 cans of chickpeas. We're going to be using the aquafaba, a teaspoon of lemon juice or cream of tartar, half a cup of corn or agave syrup, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 350 grams of white sugar. Now in a pan, I'm throwing in the sugar, the water, and the syrup. I'm going to give that a very good stir, and on a low flame, I'm just going to let that bubble up until it reaches 115 degrees C or 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Very important. If you don't have a thermometer, this is what you do. In some cold water, you drizzle a little bit of the syrup into the bowl, and the moment you can see you can roll it into a little ball, you know it's ready. I'm going to set that aside.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now from the cans of the chickpeas, I'm going to take 2 cups of the aquafaba, add in the lemon juice or the cream of tartar, and I'm going to whisk that until it's nice and fluffy. I'm slowly pouring in the syrup mix, adding a little bit by bit, until you get to the desired consistency, as you can see. If you want it thicker, you can always add a little extra teaspoon of cream of tartar or lemon juice, it's up to you. And you'll see it will get to the perfect consistency that you're looking for. That's it. Fairly easy recipe to recreate. Hope you enjoyed this episode, folks. If you enjoy vegan soul food recipes from all around the world, hit that subscribe button, it will mean the world to me. Always appreciated. Ciao for now, see you on the next one.